If you've been searching for the absolute best router bits for wood in 2025, you've landed in the perfect spot. Whether you're a passionate DIY woodworker, a professional carpenter, or someone upgrading their woodworking tools, the right set of router bits can make or break your project. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top 5 best router bits for wood you can grab online this year. Tools that deliver precision, durability, and value for money. I've personally spent hours comparing customer reviews, checking specs, and seeing what woodworkers are actually using in their workshops. And trust me, some of these sets might surprise you. Now, before we jump in, make sure to check the description box below and the first pinned comment, because I've added direct links to every product I'll talk about today. That way, you can easily check the latest price, see customer reviews, and grab your favorite router bit set before it sells out. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest, honest product reviews just like this one. This is going to be your ultimate guide to making clean cuts, perfect grooves, and flawless finishes in every woodworking project you tackle this year. So, let's get started. Kowood Router Bits. Let's kick things off with the Kowood Router Bit Set, one of the best rated and most reliable options for woodworkers in 2025. This set includes a wide variety of bits, perfect for trimming, edging, grooving, and veining wood projects of all sizes. What makes this kit stand out is its construction. Each bit is made from industrial-grade carbide, known for holding its sharp edge longer and handling even tough hardwoods without chipping. The set comes with a sturdy wooden case for safe storage, and users consistently praise its smooth cutting performance and resistance to heat buildup during extended use. With 24 essential pieces included, it's beginner-friendly, while also satisfying seasoned woodworkers who need a versatile range for custom projects. Whether you're working on cabinetry, furniture, or intricate designs, Kowood's precision ground tips and anti-kickback design will keep your cuts clean and your hands safe. Check the link in the description to see today's deal on this highly recommended set. Hiltex Router Bit Set. Next up is the Hiltex Router Bit Set, which has become a go-to for budget-conscious woodworkers who don't want to compromise on quality. Packed with 15 of the most commonly used bit types, this set uses high-grade tungsten carbide blades, providing impressive durability and excellent sharpness. It's compatible with all routers that accept a 1/4 inch shank, making it an easy upgrade for virtually any workshop setup. Reviewers consistently mention how these bits glide effortlessly through softwood and plywood, with minimal burn marks and clean finishes. The kit's wooden storage case keeps everything organized and prolongs tool life by reducing moisture exposure. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to improve your craftsmanship or a pro tackling daily jobs, this affordable yet dependable set delivers beyond expectations. Hit the description for a closer look at current pricing. BINSTAK CNC Router Bits. For anyone working with a CNC router, the BINSTAK CNC Router Bits deserve serious attention. Engineered specifically for precision CNC applications, these bits offer razor-sharp double-edge cutting and extended service life thanks to their solid carbide build. The spiral upcut design ensures excellent chip evacuation, reducing the chance of burning and improving overall cut quality. It's ideal for everything from engraving signs and lettering to trimming and slotting hardwood, softwood, Maryland F, and even plastics. Woodworkers love how little sanding is required after using these bits, making them a time-saving essential in any digital fabrication workshop. The BINSTAK bits are also available in multiple sizes to fit various spindle setups. Check out the link below for sizing options and current deals. WSOOX Router Bit Set. Another excellent contender is the WSOOX Router Bit Set, designed for both beginners and experienced craftsmen who demand reliability and precision. This set includes 24 pieces made from premium tungsten carbide, featuring a heat-resistant coating that extends blade life and resists pitch buildup. The anti-kickback design enhances safety, while the universal 1/4 inch shank ensures compatibility with most routers on the market. Users rave about how these bits hold their edge over time, delivering consistently clean, chatter-free cuts in both soft and hardwoods. It's especially popular for decorative edging, dadoing, and crafting custom molding profiles. The included storage case keeps bits neatly arranged, making it easy to grab the right tool for your project. Don't forget to check the description for real-time prices and availability. FivePears Tungsten Carbide Router Bits. Lastly, we have the FivePears Tungsten Carbide Router Bit Set, one of the most professional-grade kits you can pick up online right now. With ultra-sharp tungsten carbide blades and a high-grade heat-resistant coating, these bits offer superior durability and performance for demanding woodworkers. The set comes with 12 essential bits in a sturdy storage case, covering the most popular profiles needed for furniture making, cabinetry, and decorative trim work. Thanks to the anti-kickback design and smooth cutting edges, users enjoy safer operation and clean, accurate cuts every time. This set's balance of affordability, precision, and long-lasting sharpness makes it a favorite in both hobbyist garages and commercial woodworking shops. See the description for the latest discount. And there you have it, the top 5 best router bits for wood in 2025. No matter your experience level or the scale of your woodworking projects, each of these sets offers something special, whether it's the comprehensive range of the Kowood set, the budget-friendly reliability of Hiltex, the precision CNC capabilities of BINSTAK, the versatile all-around performance of WSOOX, or the pro-level durability of FivePears. Investing in the right router bits isn't just about making clean cuts. It's about improving your craft, saving time, and ensuring your projects look as polished and professional as possible. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button right now. It helps our channel grow and lets us know you want to see more product reviews like this. And don't forget, every product I mentioned is linked in the description box and pinned comment below, so you can easily check prices, read customer reviews, and order yours today. Subscribe for more honest, no-nonsense product reviews, woodworking tips, and tool guides coming your way every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.